So, uh, today's subject is Azure 104, and Azure 104 is the most important topic is Azure Files. What is Azure Files? So, Azure Files is a cloud-based file share service which is provided by Microsoft Azure, and Azure Files allow to multiple users and computers and servers and applications to access the share folder through the SMB. SMB is a protocol. Through the protocol, we can access the folder, we can access the file. So SMB is simple message block. Through the SMB, we can access our share folder. You can also doing our uh, file share server Windows 2024. Similarly, it is also file share services like which is provided by Azure Microsoft Azure. So let's doing the practical. So files are contents in actually before create file we have to create an storage account. So here is the storage account. The storage account we have to create the create. Here is the create. We can create the subscription, the resource group we can put, and the storage name, the storage account name is you have to fill that accordingly your choice, and you have to put their region, and the primary access you have to choose Azure Files, and the media tier is SSD. So here is the billing. Share billing is pay you as go, and the redundancy is we can go with geo redundant storage like GRS, then make read access to available to the event result unavailability. Then the urban go with the advanced. There is no need to change anything. Like here is the enable the hierarchical namespace, enable to SFTP, the allow talent applications. There is no need to change anything. And then next going to networking. uh, Here is the showing your public network access, enable, disable, and secure perimeter. Also we can go with enable. Also here is also there is no need to change anything. Going to next, data protection. Data protection is and there is nothing to change. Okay, yeah, there is also nothing to change. Then going to security. Okay, security also check is REST API operations, enable the storage account key accesses. We can access through the account key access. If one client PC access the folder through the access key, remember that part. And okay, and the minimum TLS version and the storage account. Then okay, no need to change anything. And encryption, here is also no need to change anything. Text and create. So okay, actually I didn't create a actually listen, I have the storage account previously. So it's Balram the storage. This is my storage. In the storage, you can here is the overview. Like here the resource group are RG1 and the blob services, file services, and we can go with the our storage account contain uh, mm, four storage like container, classic files, queues, tables. The table and queues is structured files and structured data. Here is the container, and then classic file is unstructured. Unstructured means like PDF, docs, many more. Okay, yeah, so we have to create a container. In container we can in container we add a folder. In which folder we put our documents, then we access this document, access the client PC. So we here is Balram Das storage. So here is our I give the name. The container name is like Azure 104 Azure 104 study material, STUDY material. Okay, we can create a container. In that container we upload our documents. So upload, here is the showing Azure study material. Here we can go with our upload document. So upload our data like as value of like our study material and upload it. You can see our types like container, our data type. There are three types like blob, and just give me a second. Yes, like container contains three type of data like blob, base blob, append blob. Base blob, append blob, this is called blob. Blob means upload your own data like PDF, Azure, docs, and many more. Blob, and base blob keeps showing SDX data, and append blob logs file. So this is my docs file, so it's showing blob. In most of the interview asks the blob types. There are three type of blob, base blob, and append blob. So this docs is going to blob. Here is the size is 10 QB. Okay, so here is I upload our data on our Azure portal through the Azure files. So then how can the client access the folder? So we can install an application for on the client PC, that is Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer. That is Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer application. You can download from Chrome, like download Azure Explore Azure Storage Explorer, download, and we can download the first website. Okay, here is the download option, then download now. Here is the Windows 64. I already downloaded Azure Explorer, so I don't have to download again. So here is the after login. Okay, I can once again connect, no problem. Azure Explore. How do you sync your file to your Azure account? So client have to download that Azure Explore Storage Explore application, then connect. There is the connect option. We can go with the storage account and services, then connect with name and key option. Then next, here is the account name is the option, so we can go with the account name is, here is the storage account name. Remember, it's very important to remember account name is storage account name, so we can copy with our storage account name. Here is my storage account name, like storage account. Here is Balram Das. Balram storage is our storage account. So here is the copy Balram storage. We can then paste here the account name. The display name is showing Balram storage 2. Here is the account key. Remember this account key you got on here. Here is the network security option. Data below the data storage. Then we can go with the security network, and here is the access key. Here is the account name is showing, my account storage account name is showing, and the key is, here is the key, copy the key and access. Copy the key and access, and next and connect. You can show, you can see our I upload the file in Blob Container, so just check it. See my Azure material. See, here is the hash value. You can also here are your also file your upload your document. Okay, you can upload your document here. Blob, so upload document CTRS, and then document uploaded. It's okay. Yeah, it is uploaded also. Then refresh. Okay, then we can check with Azure it is showing or not on our portal. Storage account, we can go with my storage account is Balram storage. Here is the container, Azure study material, CTRL. Got. Okay, let's this complete our lab. So how to upload a document our files in our Azure portal, and how can a client access the folder through the Microsoft Azure Explore application. This is very important topic. Yeah, thank you. So I can stop.